Joy Gurudev Shambhu Mahadeva, Joy Ma Sahana Bhavatu. Now we will talk about creation of elements and destruction of elements. Creation, how are the elements created? Now we will look into this. All the scriptures are saying the same thing in different language and different style. So we'll see what is Lord Shiva saying in Shiv Swarodaya. Okay, he says first there was only one God particle. And then what happened? That God particle assumed itself to be space. Now how many types of space are there? The space is Chedakash. This is God particle. God particle is known as Chedakash, where all possibilities are possible, but there are no possibilities yet manifested. Now that God starts thinking that there is space. I am space. I am something. I am something means as mental space is created. Like in your mind, if you create space, if you say, yes, there is a huge vast space, you have created a mental space in your mind. So mental space is created. In that mental space, the beings of that mental space start believing that they are for real. That becomes the physical space. Now in the physical space also, the space within the body and the space outside the body, it is known as Ghatakash and Nabhakash. Okay, now this space starts moving because it is not dead. It is alive. It has been created, and a creation is the process of movement. So when space moves, it becomes air. And because of the dual nature of space and God particle, they have become two. God particle is one, and the space created in his mind is two. Then the space created thinks that it is space real. It becomes the physical space. It starts moving, and hydrogen and you can say oxygen or nitrogen, they start frictioning between each other. Clouds are air. When air starts frictioning with each other, they become, there comes lightning, fire, light. And when light is having friction, lightning, it rains. It becomes liquid, water. And when it rains and the water starts becoming stagnant, it becomes earth element. So from God particle came space, Akash Tattva. From space came air. From air came light or fire. From light or fire came liquid. And from liquid came solid. All are enemies of each other, opposite of each other, but still created by each other. Now this God particle created space. Space created air. Air created fire. Fire created water. Water created earth. Now how will they be destroyed? Let's see this. That how is the destruction of elements possible? We have all heard in all the religion, in all the scriptures, it is said that the earth will be destroyed by water. How? There will be a great deluge. It is known as Jaljala in Quran, and it is known as Jalapralay or Mahalay in the Hindu scriptures, the Tantric and Vedic scriptures. So the earth will be destroyed by water. It will dissolve in water because it has been created by water. Water is destroyed by fire. If you heat water, it turns into vapor. So water is destroyed by fire. Fire is destroyed by air. If there is a lamp, fire, candle burning, you can just blow it off with air because it is created by air. It will be destroyed by air, and air will be destroyed by space, and space will be destroyed by God particle. That's me, that's you, that's Atman, that's Paramatma. Okay, that God particle will consume everything. There is wisdom beyond God particle also. that also we will be giving you, but later on, how much you can digest, we will see that, and slowly we will be giving you. So just this is a short video, but it is kept short because it is very important to understand, and this we have taught you before also in Shiv Swaroday beginning. So if it has not gone into your head, meditate and go through this video again and again and master this. This is the most important essence, that space came from nothing, and from nothing space became air, air became fire, fire became liquid, liquid became earth. Just master this, remember this. Even if you are sleeping, if someone tells you, where have you come from, you say, I've come from the God particle, the nothing. And where will you go? I will go back to nothing. I created my universe and I have the power to destroy it. And once I destroy my creation, which is not real, which is imaginary, if I destroy these imaginary elements, which are not elements but my senses, I will become nothing and I will become everything. Humans think, animals think that they are, but they are just God. They are complete God, God particle. To understand himself, herself, itself, the God particle created the universe. Hari Om Tat Sat. Meditate. Do your practice, mantra chanting, Hansa Kriya, whatever you are doing as per your course regularly. Please give your daily reply, daily report on the query group. It's very important. Hari Om Tat Sat.